Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. Today we're going to explore Customer Service Management, or CSM for short. This is an exciting topic that can really transform how we connect with our customers. Over the next few minutes, I'll be sharing key insights into what CSM is, why it matters, and how it can benefit your organization. So let's get started. ServiceNow Customer Service Management, or CSM, is a cloud-based platform designed to help organizations manage customer requests more efficiently. It brings all customer issues and inquiries into a single, unified system, making it easier to track and handle every interaction. By centralizing requests, it ensures nothing gets lost or overlooked. Additionally, it automates many workflows, which means less manual work for your team. Cases can be automatically assigned, routed to the right agents, and tracked throughout their lifecycle. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces errors and speeds up resolution. Speaking of speed, ServiceNow CSM significantly improves response and resolution times. It does this through service-level agreements, or SLAs, notifications, and streamlined case handling processes. All of these features work together to ensure your customers receive faster, more efficient support. So, in the context of our overall theme, ServiceNow CSM is a powerful tool that helps organizations deliver better customer service by making the entire process more centralized, automated, and faster. Lorem ipsum dolor sit amit, consectetur adipissing elite. Quisque molesti nissel eu sem tristique, sit amit convolis ex aliquam. Mecenas various lectus henderit aug blandit, ut possura erat aliquam. Present octor tellus egit nissel blandit, et various puris elementum. Now, moving on to why Customer Service Management, or CSM, is so important. First, let's talk about faster issue resolution. Automated case assignment, service-level agreements, and workflows all work together to help us resolve customer issues more quickly. This means less waiting and more satisfaction. Next, improving customer satisfaction, or CSAT. When responses are timely and communication is transparent, customers feel valued and confident in our support. That's essential for building trust and long-term loyalty. Then, there's reducing manual effort. Automation takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing up our agents to focus on the more critical, complex issues that really need their expertise. And finally, better visibility and tracking. With real-time dashboards and reports, we get clear insights into case statuses and team performance, helping us stay proactive and organized. All of these points connect to our overall goal, delivering exceptional customer experiences efficiently and confidently. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features of ServiceNow Customer Service Management. First, we have case management. This feature manages the complete lifecycle of customer issues, starting from when a case is created all the way through to resolution. It ensures proper assignment, prioritization, and tracking so that no issue slips through the cracks. Next is the Customer Service Portal. Think of this as a self-service hub where customers can raise requests, check the status of their cases, and access support whenever they need it. It empowers customers to find solutions quickly without waiting for agent assistance. Then, we have knowledge management. This is where reusable solutions and FAQs are stored. It helps both agents and customers resolve issues faster by providing easy access to relevant information, reducing resolution times. Moving on, SLA and escalation are critical. They automatically track response and resolution times against agreed service levels. If a case is about to breach an SLA, it's automatically escalated to ensure timely resolution, maintaining service quality. Finally, omnichannel support. This feature allows customers to connect through multiple channels, whether it's email, chat, the portal, or virtual agents, all within a single, unified system. This seamless experience is key to meeting customer expectations and delivering consistent support. Together, these features create a comprehensive, efficient, and customer-centric approach that aligns perfectly with our overall goal of delivering exceptional service. Let's take a closer look at the key components of the CSM architecture. First, on the front-end side, we have the customer portal and mobile app. These provide an intuitive, easy-to-use interface where customers can raise support requests, track the status of their cases, and access help from either web or mobile devices. The goal here is to make the experience seamless and accessible, no matter how customers prefer to interact. Moving to the backend, all the critical data, like customer details, case information, SLAs, and interactions, are stored in structured ServiceNow tables. This ensures that data management is both secure and reliable, giving us a solid foundation for case handling and reporting. Next, automation plays a vital role. Using tools like Business Rules and Flow Designer, we automate routine tasks such as creating cases, assigning them to the right agents, sending notifications, handling approvals, and managing escalations. This automation reduces manual effort, speeds up response times, and ultimately improves overall efficiency. Finally, integration is essential for a connected experience. By leveraging email, virtual agents, and APIs, we enable seamless communication between the customer service management system and external systems. This integration allows us to interact effortlessly through various channels like chatbots, emails, and third-party apps, creating a unified and responsive support environment. Together, these components form a cohesive architecture that enhances customer experience, streamlines operations, and supports scalable service delivery, all aligned with our overall goal of delivering exceptional customer support. Let's explore how our case management process streamlines customer support. First, automatic case creation means that whenever a customer submits a request through the portal, email, or chat, it's quickly converted into a case without any manual effort. This helps us respond faster and reduces errors. Next, we have priority and assignment rules. Cases are automatically prioritized based on factors like impact and urgency, and then assigned to the right support team or agent. This ensures that the most critical issues are handled promptly by the right people. We also track service level agreements, or SLAs, which monitor response and resolution times. This way, we can make sure every customer issue is addressed within the promised timeframe, maintaining high service standards. Finally, our complete case lifecycle management gives us full visibility from the moment a case is created, through investigation and resolution, all the way to closure. It allows us to track each step and ensures a transparent, efficient process. Together, these components create a seamless, effective approach to managing customer cases from start to finish. Now, let's take a closer look at the customer service portal and how it enhances the overall experience. First, we have the self-service case submission feature. This allows customers to easily raise requests or report issues through a single online portal, eliminating the need to contact support directly. It's all about making the process more straightforward and accessible. Next, we have case status tracking. Customers can view real-time updates on their cases, so they know exactly where things stand, including progress and resolution status. This transparency helps build trust and keeps customers informed every step of the way. Then there's access to knowledge articles. Customers can search and read FAQs and other helpful resources to resolve common issues on their own. This empowers users to find solutions quickly without waiting for support, saving time for everyone. Finally, all of these features contribute to improved customer engagement. By providing a smooth, transparent, and self-directed support experience, we're fostering greater trust and satisfaction. It's about making support more efficient and customer-centric, aligning perfectly with our overall goal to deliver better service. Let's take a closer look at how a centralized knowledge base benefits both our team and our customers. When all articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides are stored in one accessible location, it makes it much easier for everyone to find the information they need quickly. This means less time searching and more time resolving issues effectively. By having immediate access to the right solutions, we can speed up issue resolution significantly. Customers don't have to wait long for answers, and agents can handle cases more efficiently. This setup also reduces our workload as agents. With a well-organized, self-service knowledge base, many of the repetitive questions are addressed up front, freeing us to focus on more complex issues. And perhaps most importantly, it ensures consistency. When everyone refers to the same trusted source, customers receive the same accurate information every time, which helps us maintain high service quality. Overall, knowledge management like this is a critical part of delivering a smooth, reliable customer experience and supporting our team's effectiveness. Let's talk about how our system streamlines SLA management. First, it automatically calculates the service level agreements for each case based on its priority and the defined timelines. This means there's no need for manual tracking, which saves time and reduces errors. Next, we have alerts set up to notify agents or managers before an SLA is about to be breached. These reminders help us proactively prevent delays, keeping cases on track. If a case is at risk of missing its deadline or needs more specialized attention, the system escalates it to a higher-level team. This ensures that complex or urgent issues are addressed promptly. By combining automatic tracking, timely alerts, and escalation procedures, we can be confident that cases are resolved within the expected timeframes. Ultimately, this approach not only improves efficiency, but also enhances customer satisfaction by delivering timely support. This is a key part of how we ensure consistent service quality and responsiveness across the board. Now, let's take a closer look at how our customer complaint management portal functions in practice. First, complaint registration is designed to be straightforward. Customers can easily submit their complaints through the portal, ensuring they provide all necessary details right from the start. Next, we have SLA tracking, which means every complaint is monitored against predefined service-level agreements. This helps us ensure that each issue is resolved within the agreed timeframe, maintaining high standards of service. When a complaint isn't resolved within the expected time or requires specialized attention, escalation handling comes into play. The complaint is then directed to the appropriate teams who can address it more effectively. Throughout this process, customers receive real-time status updates. This transparency keeps them informed about the progress of their complaint, which is crucial for building trust. After the issue is resolved, we don't just stop there. Customers are encouraged to provide feedback on their experience, giving us valuable insights that help us continuously improve our service. To illustrate, think of a customer using this portal to report a problem. They submit their complaint, see it being tracked and escalated if needed, receive updates, and then share their feedback once everything is resolved. This comprehensive approach ensures that customer concerns are handled efficiently, transparently, and with a focus on continuous improvement, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of delivering exceptional service quality. Let's talk about some of the key benefits of ServiceNow CSM. First, improved operational efficiency. By automating workflows, case routing, and notifications, we significantly reduce manual work for agents. This means support processes become faster and much smoother, allowing teams to focus on what truly matters, helping customers. Next, faster response and resolution. Automated SLA tracking, alerts, and robust knowledge management tools enable us to respond more quickly and resolve issues more effectively. This not only improves efficiency, but also ensures customers get the support they need without unnecessary delays. Now, moving on to customer satisfaction. When support is timely, transparent case updates are provided, and self-service options are available, the overall experience improves. Customers feel more confident and trusting because they see real progress and can help themselves when needed. Finally, the platform itself is scalable and secure. ServiceNow CSM can grow alongside your organization, handling increasing workloads seamlessly. Plus, it's built with security in mind, protecting customer data as your business expands. All these benefits come together to create a more effective, reliable, and customer-centric support environment, something that aligns perfectly with our overall goal of delivering exceptional service. ServiceNow Customer Service Management, or CSM, empowers organizations to deliver seamless and efficient customer support. What this means is that it helps teams work more smoothly, ensuring customers get the help they need without unnecessary delays. By integrating automation, CSM reduces the manual effort that often slows things down and speeds up case resolution. This is a game changer because it allows support teams to focus more on solving problems rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. Through enhanced visibility, teams can easily track cases, monitor SLAs, and ensure accountability across the board. This transparency means everyone knows what's happening at every stage, helping to prevent issues from slipping through the cracks. Using intelligent workflows, tasks are automatically routed to the right people at the right time, which not only prevents delays, but also improves overall service quality. In essence, CSM ties all these elements together to create a more responsive and reliable customer support experience, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of streamlining operations and boosting customer satisfaction. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate your time and attention. I hope the presentation has given you valuable insights and practical ideas to take away. Remember, the key points we've discussed highlight the importance of understanding the core concepts, applying the strategies, and continuously learning. It's all about connecting the dots between these ideas and how they can make a real difference in your work or projects. If you take away just one thing from today, I hope it's the confidence to move forward and implement what you've learned. Thanks again for your engagement and participation. I look forward to seeing how you apply these concepts in the future.